In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize report columns in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever opened a report and felt like the information looked too cramped, or maybe one column was much wider than it needed to be, adjusting the column width can make the report much easier to read. This is a simple customization, but it can really help you organize your data in a cleaner and more practical way. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Reports. This is where you'll find all of the available reports you can view and customize. Next, open the specific report you want to work with. Choose the one you'd like to adjust so it appears on your screen. Once the report is open, you'll be able to make changes directly within the report view. Now, find the column header you want to resize. Move your cursor over the edge of that column header, right along the border between that column and the next one. You may need to hover carefully for a moment. When your cursor changes to the resize icon, that means QuickBooks is ready for you to adjust the width. At that point, click and hold the border of the column. Keep the mouse button pressed, then drag the border either to the left or to the right, depending on what you need. Dragging to the right will make the column wider, which is useful if text or numbers are getting cut off. Dragging to the left will make it narrower, which can help save space and make the report look more compact. Once the column reaches the size you want, release the mouse button. The new width should stay in place so you can immediately see how the updated layout looks. If there are other columns you'd like to adjust, just repeat the same process for each one. Take your time and resize them based on the type of information each column contains. A little adjustment can go a long way in making reports easier to scan and understand. If you want to keep this customized layout for future use, click Save As. This lets you save the report with your changes so you don't have to resize the columns again the next time you open it. That's all there is to it. Resizing report columns in QuickBooks Online is quick, easy, and a great way to improve readability when reviewing your reports. Thanks for watching.